Now, what would happen if, say, a customer does not start getting ready for these LED drivers, and let's say come the end of the year or beginning of next year, they start to have ballasts going bad. Can they put in a competitor's ballast or something else, and will the system still work, or will that light fixture not work at all, or what would happen?
So the first thing would be if they started having failures and they can't get ballasts anymore, they could put a C-Flex kit in right aside of a fluorescent and it would look the same. So if you had these LEDs right aside of the fluorescents, one for one replacements, that's not going to be a problem. If they wanted to do a whole space, then you could do a whole space and it'll look the same. But it's, I don't know, I guess moving forward, they could really just upgrade one at a time if they need to, or they could go out and phase into a whole building or a whole floor at a time. And then so as far as our control types, we have 3-wire and ecosystem. So ecosystems are digital and 3 wires are analog. There's nobody that makes ecosystem or 3-wire. So the only people that they could buy that would work on that system would be a Lutron driver.
Okay.
So
no other.
Remember that question. I was like, I know I got halfway through that question.
So no other ballasts will work in a Lutron existing system. So if the ballast goes bad and they don't have any in keep stock, or they can't get any more through Granger or anywhere else, they just will have a light fixture that does not work. They will have to upgrade to a C-Flex LED retrofit kit with the Lutron driver, correct?
Correct. Without going in and replacing the system, which would be quite costly.
Well, yeah. And especially some of these campuses you talked about that have thousands of ballasts, they would have to have a lot of, money set aside to do something just like that. So excellent. Thank you for covering all of that.